Now this is the fun. ಇಷ್ಟು ಹತ್ತಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕ ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ ಇಷ್ಟು ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದೆವು. We are in Buda Castle with a walking tour. That's our guide. In first walking ನೋಡೋಣ ಹೆಂಗೈತೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಹೇಳ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಸ್ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಅದ ಫೌಂಟೇನಸ್ ಗತೆ ಅದಾವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯುವ ನಮ್ಮವ ಕಾಪಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಹೇಳಬಾರ್ದಲ್ಲ.
So if you want to visit it, it's a nice park. And that's about what you can see, but I think already we had enough of the sunshine, right? So we can move down to this mentioned in the beginning of the tour, meaning it survived in its full glory, the invasion of the Ottoman Empire, the liberating siege of the Habsburg dynasty, all the wars and revolutions after that. It even survived the First World War, and this side right here is the cooler side of the city.
So when you are in Buda Castle, this is the only place next to the church where you can find public toilet. So this is a statue of some great man, and look at that guy, he's doing it. So this is the shiny part of
I can touch that.
ನೀವು ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಶೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ಲಿ ಅಶ್ವ. So if someone shines the balls of the horse, they would be lucky.
But I can't.
ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಹೊಂಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಏ ಹೋಲಿಪ್ಪ ಬಡ ಬಡ ಮಾಡು. So we'll be lucky sometime soon. So this is the square, this is the church, that is the first king, and this was all built back in 1896 because they were celebrating their 1000th year of the place. So that is Parliament building which we went yesterday though. And the view of city. So this is actually the Castle Hill from where you can see most of the parts of this paparish chicken which is empty, which was recommended by our local guide, and it is good. ಏನಂತೀಯ? ಮಸ್ತ್ ಆ ಕರಿ ಮಸ್ತ್. This is the menu. This is the place called Pork and Percy. We tried the chicken. We tried the Parpakish chicken, which was pretty good. So, good morning from Bratislava again. We are back here. Just stopped by to eat some same old bread stuff in this place. Can't pronounce the name, but yeah, it is pretty good. We are in Bratislava now, but we went to this castle yesterday and it was nice. Whenever you are in any European country, you book a walking tour, so you will get to see most of the historical places, and also you will get a lot of knowledge. So Budapest was pretty nice. We did enjoy a lot. The Buda is the hill where the old kingdom was there, and the Pest is another small town which used to be, and now it is Budapest because they are interconnected, just like our Hubli Dharwad. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನೀ ಲಂಡನ್ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ?
ಲಂಡನ್ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ಬರಬೇಕು. ದೈವ ಇಚ್ಛೆ.
ದೈವ ಇಚ್ಛೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ದೈವ ಇಚ್ಛೆ ಅಂದೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಸ್ಕೊಬೇಕು, ದೇವ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಸ್ಕೊತಾನೆ.
ಈಗಿಲ್ಲದಿ ಹಂಗೆ
ಈಗಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಹಂಗೆ. ನಾವೇನು ಒಂದು ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಒಂದು ವಾರದಿಂದ 2 ವಾರ.
ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಆಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು
ಆಟಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಅದ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೊಂದು ಬರೋದು ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ.
ಮುಂಜಾನೆದ್ದು ಗೋಕರ್ಣಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದಂಗೆ
ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಂತೀವಿ.
ಅದೇ ಬಿಡು ಮಾರ, ಅದೇ ಬಿಡು. ಅವನು ನಾ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಲದಾಖ್ 4 ದಿವಸನಾಗ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ. We have come a long way.
Yes.
Too long. 8,000 kilometers, sorry, 7,000 kilometers far from home.
Local, national, international.
National 2021 है, international 25. 4 years like full improvement. On this is called as Freedom Park. I don't know what Freedom Park it is with a fountain like this. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ್ರೆ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾಡಾರ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಪಕ್ಕ 2 ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಆನ್ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ತಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ.
2 ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್. ಒಂದು ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಮೂರ್ತಿ, ಒಂದು ಈಗಿನ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಒಂದು ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. So this is the castle of Bratislava, and obviously it does have quite a lot of history, which unfortunately we don't know. Čumil, if you just
saying that if you rub his head with your fingers or with your palm, you're going to be lucky throughout the year.
Okay.
So if you want, you can give it a shot.
ರಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲಕ್ಕಿ. ನಾವಿಬ್ರು ಮಾಡೀವಿ, ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನು ಲಕ್ ಆಕೈತೆ ನಮ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಇವರು ಭಾಳ ಮೂಢನಂಬಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ
ನಮ್ಮ ಮೂಢನಂಬಿಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮೂಢನಂಬಿಕೆ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಗ ಇಡ್ತಾನೆ? And these people have the audacity to talk about the Indian railways. Oh, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, it's nice. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, it's very nice. So yeah, there you go. Traveling in the train in Europe. I just want some hot water. Got some hot water which is super hot. And you also have a TV which actually doesn't work. I mean, what is the use of this? It doesn't work, so there's literally no use of it. So yeah, there you go. Traveling in the train in Europe. Got some hot water which is super hot. And you also have a TV which actually doesn't work. I mean, what is the use of this? It doesn't work, so there's literally no use of it. So got this apple cake. I don't know how it is gonna be. Train, which is pretty nice. I did like it. Namda Vande Bharat Ratana ada. We get good food. We get curry and rice. I ate dessert. It was really good. It costed me what, 20 quid? If I'm not wrong, my brother paid for this, but it costed me just 20 quid. So you can also use those TVs on the screen, but you have to buy the headphones, and after that you can use them. On a scale of 5, I would rate it 4.8 maybe. It is too good. It is an international thing, but there is no checking. So no one comes to check. I'm not sure if they're going to check my ticket somewhere down the line. But it's another 15-20 minutes and I don't think no one's going to come and check.